Welcome to the series of videos on pipe network productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll discuss the Modify Part References command. This command utilizes the standard selection options of the pipe network productivity tools, so be sure to visit that video to understand how the standard selection options work. This command was built to allow for quicker assigning of part references, like your alignments and surfaces, to your pipes or structures. So when I run the command, it all runs from the command line. I select the network here, and then I can choose whether or not I want to filter that. I'm going to say no here. And then I have the options for the alignment and surface. So in this case, I want to change the alignment for my entire network. I can pick an alignment on screen, or I can choose it via dialog box. And then you do have the option to set it to none if you want to do that. So I'll set it to XC Storm. And then I'm going to rerun the command. We'll run network again. Choose no. And then I'll run surface. And I'm going to pick my existing ground surface here, the one that's shown. And so now when I take a look at my pipes, it's using the EG and the XC Storm here. If I take a look at a structure, it's using those there. So just quicker methods of handling your multiple part references. And again, if you're using the filtering options, you can quickly assign certain pipes and structures by filtering your selections. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.